Well, allow the Iron Biscuit and his sidekick Larry to help, I said in a magnificent voice. Everyone looked very puzzled. Who's that then? Me, I said in my normal voice. I stepped in front of them and managed to make a sort of shield with my body. Now try. Nervously, one of the children took a steaming hot chip from the paper parcel on their granddad's lap. With a screeching noise and a huge flutter of wings, a seagull swooped down. It tried to get the chip, but I had completely blocked its path. It tried to peck me, but now I was baked so hard, it couldn't. In fact, I think I hurt its beak. It said again, sounding very annoyed. And with that, it flew off, allowing everyone to eat their chips in peace.